This is the Woodford 35723 stem. This does fit the models 14, 17, 22, and the 22V Woodford faucets. A couple things about this stem is that we'll have the splines here at the end. As this rubber assembly, of course, the end here. And now inside here, you can kind of see those female threads. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll start with a total length of the stem. So this one measures right at about 12 inches. And we can measure here from the bottom of the rubber piece to the top of the stem here. See, that measures right at about 1.25 inches. And an outside diameter of right about 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 35723 stem.